How to record sound on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Voice Memos app on your iPhone. If you can't find Voice Memos, swipe down on the home screen and search for Voice Memos. Once you open the app, tap the red Record button to start recording. Now, speak clearly into the microphone on your iPhone. You can see the recording time increasing while your voice is being recorded. When you're finished, tap the Stop button. Your recording will automatically be saved in the Voice Memos app. To listen to your recording, simply tap the recording and then tap the play button. You can also tap the three dots next to the recording to rename it, share it, or save it to another location. And that's how you can easily record sound or voice on your iPhone 8 Plus using Voice Memos. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.